Well, welcome to our Daisy Award, our Winter Award ceremony today. I'd like to know that our first Daisy was in May of 2012. So we've been honoring our nurses for a long time. You know, it was developed by the a family who's lost their son to a chronic terminal disease. And what they said days later, as we reflect on those worst weeks of our lives, we realized that we had experienced one positive thing in all that sorrow. Perhaps the first time in our lives we saw what nurses do every day. And we were all stuck, not only by the excellent clinical skills brought to Patrick's condition and treatment, but especially by the way his nurses delivered their care. We were so moved by the way they talked to Patrick, the way they touched him, and the little things they did to make him comfortable, even when he was totally sedated. Patrick's nurses' compassion and kindness extended not only to us, to Patrick, but also to his family. So this family was compelled, the Barnes family were compelled to say thank you to nurses everywhere for what they do for patients every day, as well as their family. So our December Daisy nominees consisted of Darlene Jackson from Med Surg, Lori Reniker from Pain Clinic, Martha Rowe from Med Surg, Karsey Mueller from Family Birthing Suites, Amy Schultz, Med Surg, Sheena Stackwork from Surgery, Brandy Smith from Med Surg, Lisa Meyer from Family Birthing Suites, Jacob Boyle, Med Surg, and Deb Hollop from PAT. It's a blind nomination. The stories are told by patients, families, and peers. And this year's December 2021 winner is Karsey Mueller. It's Karsey. So I need I want to have her tell the story as well. Yes, please.
So here's Karsey's story. Upon arrival at the hospital with placental previa and my second time having bleeding, Karsey was by my side the entire time. It was sort of an emergency surgery to remove the baby, and we didn't have time to wait for my COVID results, so Dad could be with me. Karsey was with me every step and thought of things like taking a camera since Dad couldn't be there. She was so supportive and kept me calm as I was having to do a C-section at 33 weeks pregnant. And even after I was brought back to my room, she was there giving me tips and tricks to having a baby early, along with reassuring me we were doing the right things for him. She shared her story about her early baby and made sure we were reassured that he was in good hands, either in Dubuque or at another hospital. Thank you, Karsey. You have no idea how helpful you were at making this worrying mama feel better through the whole process.
So here's your pin as a daisy, as well as the specific statue made by the, it's called a Healing Touch.